Better than new with custom kitchen and breathtaking mountain views. This new move-in ready home offers 1,800 plus square feet, an open floor plan, main level laundry, and a rocking chair. Front porch perfect for sunrise coffee or evening sunsets. Enjoy a backyard patio and 1 acre lot that feels like 5 acres. In a quiet location convenient to Bedford, Lynchburg, Liberty University, Smith Mountain Lake, and Roanoke. Zero down financing available. Buy with confidence using our exclusive 24-month buyback guarantee and ask about our trade-up program.